How to disable pop-up blocker in Google Chrome browser. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be guiding you on how we can disable the pop-up blocker in Google Chrome browser. So if you're also wondering and looking out to disable the pop-up blocker in Google Chrome browser, we are going to show you exactly how to do it in this video. So for that, you can go ahead and open up a browser, Chrome. And after you have opened it up, you should be able to see this kind of interface on your screen. So once you're here on this section, go ahead and click on the three dot at the top right corner and go to settings. After opening up your settings, look for the options right here and look for privacy and security at the left side of your screen. And under this settings, look for the option called site settings, which is on the left. After going here, go to the section right here, scroll down and look for the pop-up and redirects right here, which is on the last option. You can go ahead and select it and you will be finding this. So here is allowed and disallow option. If you have selected this option of the first one, that sites can send pop-ups and use redirects, you're going to go ahead and select the second option, as we are not allowing disabling the option. And that is it. That is how you disable the pop-up blocker in Google Chrome browser. Following up this method for now. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you. And thank you for watching this video.